Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best sewing machines in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best portable product or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Singer Start 1304. The Singer Start 1304 offers 6 basic stitches to choose from with the simple turn of a dial. It has a preset stitch length and width, so there is no more guesswork to do. This is an excellent choice for hobbyists and sewing novices alike. You could choose a straight stitch for basic sewing, fix a hem with the blind hem stitch, or sew a decorative scallop stitch. You also have a 4-step buttonhole feature that lets you add buttonholes in just 4 easy steps. This can be very useful for pillows, children's clothing, and so much more. Just slide off the removable extension table to expose the free arm for hemming trousers and sleeves. There are threading diagrams printed right on the machine, so it's always very easy to set up. The dual spool pins allow for twin needle sewing to make your work much easier overall. When you are sewing with a twin needle, parallel rows of stitching are ideal for hemming. The heavy-duty metal frame of this sewing machine means that you can count on it to keep running for years. The all-purpose foot that this machine features is great for a variety of sewing projects. The features include 3 presser feet. This machine's 3 presser feet gives you the ability to do a variety of sewing work. 4-step buttonhole. There is also a 4-step buttonhole that you can use to create buttonholes in 4 simple steps. Dual spool pins. The dual spool pins make needle sewing faster and easier than ever before. The pros are, great for beginners. This sewing machine is perfect for those who don't have a lot of experience with this equipment. Highly portable. The lightweight design of this machine makes it easy to take with you on the go. Efficient sewing. There are numerous features that make sewing work easier and more efficient as a whole. And for the cons, this machine does have problems with jamming occasionally. Coming in at around $70, this Singer sewing machine has a highly versatile design that makes it perfect for just about anyone. It can make doing this type of work easier with its user-friendly controls. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures that you can keep using it for many years to come. It is one of the best options for anyone who loves to sew. The 4th product on our list is the Brother CS6000i. The Brother CS6000i has a simple and easy-to-use design that is ideal for sewing and quilting. It features a stitch selector switch that lets you easily see and choose your stitch. There's also the automatic needle threader, which makes doing this type of work much easier. It pushes the thread through the needle perfectly every single time. This machine's LCD display measures 2 by 0.7 inches. It will always provide you with detailed information on the settings you are working with. It's also very bright, so you can see it clearly even in a dimly lit room. The wide table of this sewing machine is designed for quilts and other large projects. It has a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute. The built-in free arm can be incredibly useful when doing intricate sewing projects. You'll definitely be glad for it when sewing sleeves, pant legs, and other cylindrical items. There's also a super bright light that gives you maximum visibility of whatever you're working on. This machine features a diagram printed on it to help you know exactly where to place the thread, so there is never any confusion. It makes doing any type of sewing work much easier overall. The features include built-in free arm. This machine's built-in free arm is perfect for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and much more. LCD display. The digital display on this sewing machine shows you the stitch you have selected. Automatic needle threader. The automatic needle threader pushes the thread through the needle without you having to do any work. The pros are, perfect for beginners. Even sewing novices won't have any problems with this sewing machine because of how easy to use it is. Jam resistant. This machine is designed in such a way that jamming will never be a problem you'll have to deal with. Easy speed selection. You can choose the speed and stitch you want to use each time without any hassle. And for the cons, this machine doesn't offer automatic tension, which might give beginners a little bit of trouble at times. Coming in at a little under $150, this Brother sewing machine is a great investment to say the least. It has a rugged and efficient design that makes doing this type of work fun and easy. For the most part, it is perfect for beginners. The 3rd product on our list is the Juki MO644D. This is our best portable sewing machine. The Juki MO644D features rolled hemming, making it a great choice for beginners. It can help you make all sorts of things with a professional look to them. This feature is also well suited to more experienced users. This machine works at 1500 stitches per minute, which gives you the ability to sew very efficiently. We really like this sewing machine's multifunction presser foot. It lets you install sequins, elastic, tape, and other materials with each project you work on. There are also a number of accessories you'll get, including a thread looper, tweezer, and vinyl cover. These items will make doing your work a lot easier. One of the best things about this machine is its customizability. It can be adjusted to match your specific needs every single time. You can adjust the tension to ensure the thread is always properly placed. The differential speed can be adjusted as well. This gives you the ability to create a variety of elaborate pieces. The sheer reliability of the knife technology this machine uses is very impressive. It can cut fabrics with absolute precision on a consistent basis. It is even able to cut through heavier fabrics without slowing down or losing any of its efficiency. The features include rolled hemming. The rolled hemming this machine offers makes it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Multifunction presser foot. This machine's presser foot will allow you to install a wide range of materials into your projects. Sew lights. The multiple lights that this machine is equipped with will give you maximum visibility while you're working. The pros are customizable design. You can tweak a number of settings on this machine to get the best performance every time. Powerful knife system. The knife system this machine uses has a dedicated drive mechanism for maximum power and reliability. It's fast. The 1500 stitches per minute design of this machine makes it very fast and efficient. And for the cons, there's no automatic threader, so you might have issues with threading the needle sometimes. Coming in at a little under $300, the Juki MO644 portable serger has a nice compact and lightweight design. It measures 10.6 by 13.4 by 11.6 inches with a weight of 18.6 pounds. This makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. It also has an incredibly efficient design that allows you to get your sewing work done faster than ever. The second product on our list is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 has an advanced computerized design that makes sewing easier than ever before. It features an automatic needle threader that threads your needle for you each time. This reduces the frustrating aspects of sewing by leaps and bounds. This machine offers 600 built-in stitches that include 5 alphanumeric fonts and 13 built-in one-step buttonholes with an exclusive buttonhole underplate. The mirror imaging and stitch elongation give you the ability to let your creative side shine. The high-efficiency design of this machine gives you 850 stitches per minute functionality. You will get a number of accessories, including a blind hem foot, satin stitch foot, button sewing foot, rolled hem foot, and much more. You'll have everything you need to get started with making all sorts of amazing creations. The one-touch stitch selection makes it easy to choose the right stitch for each of your projects. You will find the 8 most commonly used stitches located on the front of the machine. There are also electronic twin needle settings, which reduce stitch width for sewing with a twin needle. The features include one-touch stitch selection. You can choose the stitch you want to use for each project with just the touch of a button. Automatic presser foot. This machine's automatic presser foot makes doing your sewing work much easier overall. LCD screen. The bright LCD screen on this sewing machine shows you the stitch you have selected. The pros are huge stitch pattern selection. You'll have many different stitch patterns to choose from, allowing you to bring out your creativity. Durable. The metal frame of this machine makes it incredibly durable and rugged for years of regular use. Fast operation. This sewing machine operates at 850 stitches per minute, so you can get your work done as efficiently as possible. And for the cons, this machine weighs over 20 pounds, so it's not the most portable model on the market. Coming in at around $300, this sewing machine has a great modern design with tons of convenient features that you will be sure to love. It is a great choice for people of all sewing experience levels. You will also get a ton of useful accessories to get you started with making a variety of beautiful items. The first product on our list is the Brother PQ1500SL. The Brother PQ1500SL features an auto thread trimmer with quilting and sewing capabilities at the push of a button. There is even a built-in needle threader, so you no longer have to deal with the frustration of doing this yourself. This machine can sew up to 1500 stitches per minute, which is impressive to say the least. These lightning-fast speeds allow you to get your work done quickly and efficiently every single time. There are numerous settings that you will have to choose from, including 4 feed dog settings for optimal fabric control. You also have a knee lifter and bed extension for quilting. All of these settings give you the ability to customize the performance of this machine to match your needs. The 12 by 18 inch extension table that is included with this sewing machine makes it perfect for making quilts and other big projects. There is also an LED work light that is very bright and allows you to see clearly even in dimly lit rooms. There are lots of useful accessories you'll get with this sewing machine, including an adjustable zipper, rolled hem, invisible zipper, and more. This machine is great for sewing a variety of things, so your imagination is your only limit. The features include auto thread trimmer. This machine's auto thread trimmer takes a lot of the frustration out of sewing. LED work light. You will always be able to see what you're working on clearly with this machine's LED work light. Thread tension dial. You can always adjust the thread tension quickly and easily with the simple dial. The pros are easy maintenance. The small oil holes this machine features makes it easy to keep oiled and functioning properly. Lots of workspace. You'll have plenty of space to work with this machine, making it ideal for bigger projects. Quiet operation. Unlike so many other sewing machines on the market, this one isn't loud and noisy when it's running. And for the cons, this machine's thread cutter trims the thread just a tiny bit too short. Coming in at around $550, this Brothers sewing machine offers an excellent option for most people who enjoy sewing. It gives you plenty of space to work and a multitude of settings. You should never have any issues with getting your specific needs met when you're using this machine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.